Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard quickly, only ways. Begin by warming milk and sugar gently while whisking yolks and vanilla in a separate bowl. Then temper the yolks with a slow drizzle of warm milk while whisking constantly to avoid cooking the eggs. Return the mixture to low heat, stir until it thickens enough to coat the spoon, then cool promptly to stop cooking and serve warm or chilled. Start by combining egg yolks and sugar until the mixture lightens and thickens a bit. Then gently heat milk with vanilla until it steams, not boils. Slowly add warm milk to the yolks while whisking vigorously to temper them. Return everything to the pan and stir constantly on low heat until the custard coats the back of a spoon. Then strain into a bowl and chill or serve immediately for best texture. To shave minutes off your process, choose a wide pan so milk heats faster, and whisk yolks and sugar while the milk warms. Temper the yolks with a steady stream of warm milk to avoid restarting the heating step, then cook on the lowest flame while stirring non-stop until it thickens. Finally, set the custard in an ice bath to halt cooking and reach serving temperature faster without losing creaminess.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.